Hi, I'm Kendra Miller. I'm here to show you guys how to create a syllabus page in Canvas using Google Docs, links, YouTube videos, and other cool pictures. So what we're going to do now is design a syllabus page in Canvas. So some things that you might want to put on your this thing I call a syllabus page. It could be a home page. It could just be somewhere for your students to go back and use some of the helpful links or videos or information that you've provided to them. Things that you might want to include is like your contact information. What is your conference period or your class schedule, your room schedule if you move rooms periodically? What's your class description? Do you offer tutorials? Maybe your lesson plans, upcoming events. There's so many things that you can put on your syllabus page. And so what I want to do is show you how to create something that's appealing to your students, your parents, and your colleagues. So first, what you're going to do is you're going to open that Canvas course that you actually want to create the syllabus page on. Okay, so for example, I am going to work on the CISD social media marketing page. And it's telling you the course name. Yours should say whatever your course name is. And then we're going to click this little button over here in the right-hand corner, and we're going to click Edit. Okay, so when we edit this, you just have like this little document. Well, me personally, I like things to look organized and neat and a little bit fun. So the easiest way to organize everything is actually to create a table. So right here, what I'm going to do is I'm going to create the table. And in this case, I'm only going to put like the title and maybe a picture. So I'm going to create a 2x1 table. Okay, once I do this, then what we are going to do is I'm going to put welcome. Sorry, I'm typing slow because I'm holding the camera with one hand. Welcome to, and then I'm going to put social media marketing, okay? Because I want my kids to know what class that they're looking at and, you know, just have a little bit of a design on my front page. So now what I want to do is I'm going to create that. The next thing that I want to do is maybe I want to add a picture in. So what you can do is you can click in this first link and you can put embedded image. Okay, you can use a URL. Say you have something on the internet. Say there's something from Canvas or Flickr. Well, I already have something in Canvas. Okay, so I'm going to go to course files and I'm going to go to course image and I can see my images. Well, I'm going to put this picture right here. So all you do is click Canvas and then course images and then social media. Okay, and now I have a picture on my canvas. If you don't have a picture on your canvas, all you have to do is come over here to files and you can actually upload a new file and you can choose the file or the picture you want. If I want to choose this picture, then I can just choose the picture and hit open and it'll actually upload. Okay, but I'm not going to upload any of those pictures. So I've now inserted my picture for social media marketing. Okay, all I did was click on that picture icon and then went back into Canvas. All right, the next thing that we are going to do is we are actually going to insert links. And in this case, I am going to insert lesson plans for the students to be able to see. I've created the lesson plans in Google Docs as a Google Slides PowerPoint. And now I want my students to be able to see that. Okay, so what we're going to do now is in this case, I'm going to insert a table, but this time I'm going to do a 2x2 table because I'm going to insert a heading into it or like a subheading to, I guess, my page, but I also want to include a picture and the link itself. So I'm going to click and create a 2x2 table. In this bottom left-hand box, because I'm going to use the top two boxes as my title, the bottom left-hand box, I just want to embed a picture because I'm going to put like a little moving arrow to get the student's attention or the parent's attention to say, hey, look here. So I'm going to do the same thing. I clicked on the little image. I've already uploaded it to Canvas. So I am going to now click on my image. And this one I actually got from, sorry if I pronounce this wrong, but the Jiffy website or whatever it's called. But it's JIPHY. You can search different little things and you can find little moving pictures. So in this case, I'm going to click the arrow and I'm going to hit update. Okay, so I've now put an arrow. Next to that arrow, I actually want to put my link to my lesson plans. If you were to just insert a link, it's going to show up as link. So I don't want it to just say link, because then I'm going to have to type in more stuff and be like, okay, well, this is what it is. So instead, what I'm going to do is I'm going to put social media marketing lesson plans. Okay, you could easily just put lesson plans because I've already named my course as social media, but you never know, and I don't want anybody to be confused on what I am putting here. So I'm going to type in social media marketing lesson plans. So now what I'm going to do is I am going to click on, I'm going to highlight what I just wrote. Okay, and I'm going to put link to URL. So highlight what you just wrote and then link to URL. When you click this, it's going to tell you to paste the link that you want to put in this. Okay, so in this case, I am going to go to my Google Drive and I'm going to go to my social media lesson plans. Okay, so I've already created my lesson plans on Google Docs and I want to be able to put this in. Okay, so what I'm actually going to do is I'm going to click File, Publish to the Web. This is only actually with a Google Doc. If I were to just do like a website link, I can just copy and paste this link. But if you want it to work right with your Google Drive, you're going to do File, Publish to the Web. And then I'm going to do Embedded. And I'm just going to click Link. And I am going to click link and I am going to copy this, okay, copy the link. Then you're going to just click the X. I'm going to come back to my social media course in Canvas and I am going to paste this into that link, okay. Now what you do want to make sure you do is that I'm going to scroll all the way over and make sure I don't have HTTPS there already because they had it already typed. So I'm going to hit insert link. Okay, now it should be blue and it's now you can click on it. It actually can go to another website or the website you created. Okay, so I'm going to hit update syllabus. If I click on this link now, it is going to show my parents, my students, my lesson plans for the week. Okay, or the 9 weeks or the semester. In this case, it's actually the whole entire semester. So if they want to, they can just click and see what we're doing that day in class. Okay, so that's pretty cool to me. So I have that link to my lesson plans. I'm going to go ahead and click back because I need to go back to my Canvas course. Okay, and then I'm going to click edit again. I just wanted to show you guys how that link actually worked. So I'm going to click edit. And now in these top two boxes, and I'm sure I don't know why, but I cannot figure it out if there is a way how to actually merge these two columns like you would in Microsoft Word. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put what's happening, if I could spell, in, and then on this side I'm going to put social media marketing. Okay, and that's going to be my title. So what I want to do is I'm going to make it bigger. Okay, I'm going to make it about an 18 point font. Okay, and then I am actually going to highlight it all and turn it green to match my little arrow. And now I want to make it bold. Okay, so now if I hit update syllabus, my parents and my students see welcome to social media marketing, what's happening in social media marketing, and then the lesson plans. Now, personally, I'm probably going to go take out social media marketing right here because in all honesty, that's a whole lot of words that say social media marketing. I think they kind of know now that what class that they're in. So I'm like, I could just delete the words that I chose right there. The link is still there. Okay. The next thing that I want to do is I want to insert another image just to give it a little extra something. Okay, so I found this really cute image of Betty White. So I'm going to just insert another image. Once again, I found it on that website, the GIPHY. Okay, and it's the little quote that she says, I'm actually on Facebook and the Twitter. So I thought it was pretty cute, especially since it's a social media class. So I'm going to center that with my course syllabus page. And I'm actually going to center this table as well. All you got to do is click on the table and hit center. That way they can see it. Now below, I actually put in extra links. So course extra links. So there are some articles that we might talk about in class that I want the kids to know. So I've created these links for the kids to be able to click on it. So how do I insert this link into the class or whatever? All you're going to do again is hit link to URL, and you can link and you can paste that link in there just like we did with the lesson plans, except for you're going to copy and paste at the top. Okay, and so now when students click on that, they can actually see what it is that you want them to be able to view. Okay, so you can put extra links. You can put, I accidentally put an extra arrow, so I'm going to take that out. You can put your class schedule. In this case, I'm not going to do any of that because this is actually a course designed for the entire district where teachers can use this course to actually create their own social media marketing course. So that's all I'm going to do with this syllabus page now. And then all we're going to do is hit update. And now they can see, parents can see, students can see, welcome to social media marketing. It's got that little picture on there and it's like what's happening in social media marketing, and they can click the lesson plans and it's all there, and so are the links. So hopefully you found this video helpful to you to be able to edit your Canvas course and make your course a little bit more interesting and easy for the students to find information. Let me know if you have any questions. Thanks.